Welcome to ATLAS SkillTech University. Set in the heart of Mumbai's corporate district, surrounded by more than 500 companies, ATLAS offers something rare. A calm, green campus in the middle of the city's busiest hub with industry right next door. Step inside and the lobby sets an open, active tone, built for interaction from the very first moment. This is where the day really begins. And at ATLAS, the classrooms are built for doing. Students here don't just sit and listen. They debate, they present, they prototype, and they work through the kind of industry-relevant challenges they'll face the moment they step into a career. The work is hands-on, the expectations are high, and the outcomes are tangible. Every room is designed to support that energy. The classrooms are fully ICT-enabled, equipped with projectors, Teachment X classroom displays, and the technology students need to take an idea from a rough sketch to a finished, presentable piece of work. They are air-conditioned, well-lit, and deliberately spacious, with color and character built into the interiors. Because the environment shapes the thinking, and a room that feels alive makes ambitious ideas feel possible. There's a reason all of this sits in the middle of Mumbai's corporate district. The briefs students work on are real, the problems are current, and the industries that set them are often just a short walk away. So what's learnt in here rarely stays theoretical for long. On the upper floors, the classrooms go a step further. These spaces are modular. The walls retract and reconfigure so a single room can open up for a full cohort or close down into a focus studio for a smaller team. The campus flexes around the way students actually work, not the other way around. And the corridors connecting them are wide, bright, and open, keeping the whole building feeling connected and easy to move through. Cross over into Building 2 and you reach is D, the School of Design and Innovation. This is the creative heart of the campus, and the atrium is where it comes alive between classes. Students move across disciplines, meet over coffee, and spread out through the seating to sketch, work, and trade ideas. With food stalls and relaxed spaces to gather, it's part hangout and part open studio, always in motion. It's the first sign that design here is something you live inside, not just study. Just beyond the atrium is the Student Projects exhibit, where the work goes public. Every project here began as an idea in a classroom or a lab, and now stands as finished, presentable work. For students, that shift matters. It's the experience of presenting what they've made, standing behind it, and owning it. What's remarkable is the range. The exhibit brings together the best of every specialization D offers: animation and VFX, communication design, fashion communication and styling, interior design, product design, and strategic design and management. In one space, you can see the full breadth of the BDES program. 7 disciplines, 1 room. It's the clearest snapshot of what an education at ISD actually produces. Up through the building, you find the design classrooms. And while they share the same technology backbone as the rest of campus, the way they're used is distinctly designed. These are interactive, technology-supported spaces, but here the emphasis is on making and critiquing. Projectors and large classroom displays turn every session into something visual. Students pull up references, walk through work in progress, and give and take feedback in real time. The approach is deliberately practical. It mirrors how design studios and creative industries actually operate. Less lecturing, more doing. A brief goes up, students respond to it, and the room becomes a place to test ideas out loud rather than just absorb them. The interiors are part of the method too. Colorful, well-lit, air-conditioned, and spacious enough for people to spread out and work the way creative teams really do. It's a classroom that behaves like a studio, and that difference is exactly the point. Students learn the craft by practicing it every single day. The 5th floor belongs entirely to fashion. Step out of the lift and student work is everywhere. Finished garments displayed on mannequins, lining the space like a working showroom. This is the fashion lab and fashion studio, built to professional standard. Rows of sewing machines, large cutting tables, and dedicated stations for fabric cutting, ironing, and drying. The same tools and processes used in the industry itself. What's striking is how completely the discipline runs through the flow. Even the classrooms here have sewing machines built in, so theory and practice never sit apart. A concept discussed in the morning can be cut, stitched, and standing on a mannequin by the afternoon. Students don't just learn how garments are designed, they design and style them end to end in spaces built for exactly that kind of hands-on work. One floor up, the work gets physical. The product lab is where drawings and digital concepts become real, tangible objects. It's equipped with heavy machinery for woodworking, cutting, and polishing. Industry-standard equipment that lets students build at full scale. Large shared tables give teams room to collaborate, and experienced machine operators are always on hand, guiding the work and keeping safety first at every step. Along the windows, floor to ceiling, flooding the lab with natural light, finished product design projects sit displayed in glass cases. It's a quiet reminder of where all the effort leads. Students leave this floor knowing how to take an idea through material, craft, and machine, and turn it into something they can hold in their hands. Next door is the robotics lab. Circuit boards, microprocessors, wiring, and the latest tools laid out and ready. This is where students build, program, and test working systems. Here, automation and technology aren't topics to read about. They are projects to finish, hands-on the entire way. And just along from it, the 3D printing section, where speed meets craft. Students use cutting-edge printers to produce rapid prototypes, moving from an idea on screen to a physical model in a matter of hours. There's range here too. Alongside standard 3D printers sit 3D clay printers, each suited to a different kind of project. It's prototyping that keeps product development fast, practical, and genuinely iterative. Close by is the animation and VFX lab. Rows of high-powered machines run the same software the industry runs on: Adobe Premiere Pro, After Effects, Autodesk Maya, and Blender. This is where students produce motion graphics, digital design, and visual storytelling, with stills from their own projects lining the walls. It's a studio built to turn imagination into finished, professional-grade visual work. On this campus, the cafeteria is anything but an afterthought. It's clean, bright, and genuinely spacious, with vibrant, quirky artwork running across the walls that gives the whole space its personality. This is where conversations happen, where teams debrief after a long studio session, and where the community comes together. There are pool and snooker tables for the breaks between the work, because the culture here isn't built only in classrooms. Some of the best ideas start somewhere a lot more relaxed, over a game and a good conversation. Every space on this campus is built for the same thing: experimentation, innovation, and collaboration. Students leave ATLAS with skills they've practiced, work they've made, and the experience of doing, not just studying. This is ATLAS SkillTech University.